Today I'm going to be using this unfinished 17-inch by 11-inch piece of wood that I found at Michael's. It has this really pretty bamboo weaving around the center piece of wood. And I found it in the summer clearance for $3.74. So keep an eye out at Michael's. They're doing 70% off a lot of their wood. I painted the outside of the board with some Wise Owl dried thyme, and then I painted the center piece with some Wise Owl Snow Owl, leaving the bamboo weaving its natural unfinished wood. And I'm going to allow that to fully dry. Next, I have two of these wood picket fence pieces. You can find these right at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to remove the jute hanger from the back side. I have my little spray bottle. This is a nice misting spray bottle, and I wet the wood before I apply the Wise Owl chocolate paint. I want the paint a little bit watery as I'm going to apply it as a stain. Now you can also use some General Finishes Antique Walnut Gel Stain. That's one of our go-to stains, but if you do not have the stain and you have the paint, you can just add a little bit of water to it to create a similar look. So once I have the fence fully painted and a little bit of water applied, I'm then just going to take my paper towel and rub the paint in. And you can see some of the wood grain effect. And I'm going to do the same exact thing to my second wood piece. And again, these pieces came from the Dollar Tree. I have these small little wood letters. I get these exact ones from Michael's. I'm going to paint the word hello in some mandarina orange. Now this color can be found in the 2-ounce 6-pack paint samples that we have on our website, chalkitupfancy.com. And I got these little banner tags in the scrapbook section. I have 5 of them, and I'm going to glue one letter in the center of each tag. I'm going to go back to my board and start gluing everything down. I'm going to glue the 2 fence pieces down on the center of the board. And I'm just using some hot glue to adhere everything. I found these really cute scarecrows from Hobby Lobby. They were $3.99, and then you get the 40% off the fall decor. They came 2 in a pack, and I'm going to glue one on both the left and right side of the fence. I have a piece of jute, and I'm going to string my letters onto the jute, starting with the last letter and moving to the first letter. And then I'm going to position these onto my board where I want the word to kind of fall. And before I do anything with the jute, I'm going to glue each one of those letters down onto the wood fence so it doesn't move all over the place. I like to start with the center letter. It just kind of helps keep everything a little bit even. And then after I have all the letters glued down, I'm just going to pull on each end of the jute, and I will cut it so the end is a little shorter. And that way it looks like the scarecrows are each holding one side of the garland that says hello. Now you can give this a top coat of some Wise Owl furniture salve. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.